What's good, YouTube? Regular Fire Reacts. We're back with another one. This video, we got reacting to Von off 1700 Glock Bop. Ain't like Von been sliding all year. I ain't gonna cap. Von been sliding all year. But I'm expecting the normal, usually upbeat, high energy, and yeah, a bunch of federal comments. But when they get into it, give my honest opinion, see how the Glock Bop. Let's get into it.
Okay.
Like, oh, new ICL. This is definitely a New York drill beat.
Got a brand on. Free my hood, nigga. Fuck your hood, nigga. For real, nigga. Yeah. Look, we just got a brand.
Did that man just kick over a trash can?
Yeah. Look, we just got a brand new block. Put that bitch right on the op. We just got some brand new switches. Put it on the back of the Glock. We just got a brand new hot. Put that bitch right on the block. I was just spinning the op trying to see some shots. Now I got the city on lock. You ain't heard about Toss Gang? You living under a rock. Caught his ass leaving his crib. Shot his dumb ass out his Crocs. You better keep you a glizzy or end up like Top. I will not get in the car with that guy. It's 12 of the lights, he just might stop. That nigga a goof. Before we had killed him, we made his dumb ass bop. This gun I got a box on the back. Everybody know this not a prop. You would think he was working with Pepsi or Sprite. How he got his dumb ass pop? Nigga spot your Vic, bounce out of the V and shoot that bitch till it decop. I catch me an op, it's going right down, but I ain't going out like Jock. Sometimes when I slide on the outs, I be fresh as fuck. They need the free K fly, I was shooting.
I ain't gonna lie. That's a bar.
Bullets was coming out in slow motion. I was too high off the wall. I'm so lit right now. Motherfuckers telling they mama shut up, cause Von just dropped. That nigga a goofy, I ain't never like him. That's why I took his watch. Too many ops done died, they deep up there. Put a stick in my box. Don't come around playing a op, that shit so weak. Get that little ass off the op. I know that I'm gonna go broke. Soon as I sign, I'm gonna put down on a yacht. Something keep going around, somebody gon'.
Hey, at least he's telling the truth, cause people like, I'm the best. That man is going broke immediately.
Kill me, knowing this dumb ass not. Von with his SIT don't got no mouths. This bitch straight off the lot. I'm young and done for real, go to war with anybody. I bang it out with the SWAT. My old bitch mad, she ain't got a bag or ass. My new bitch took her spot. Tried to slide and died. The nigga was halfway stepping. He shoulda gave it all he got. Stop calling my phone. Nigga, this little shit took. You ain't ever getting it back. This Glock make a nigga say fuck. This Drake make a nigga say shit. Oh my dead on me. What I need to say?
I ain't gonna lie. The ad at the end is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I know you're not supposed to be. Von funny as hell. That man, I don't know. Maybe it is like a drill starter kid. Your name Von, you automatically funny and spinning. But I mess with it. I ain't never heard it before, but I mess with it. W song, I don't know what trash is, but I like the little yellow. It's hard, low key. But let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe. More videos on the way. Yeah, stay away from Von. Shout out Rhythm Crew.